Yo, what's going on everybody on YouTube, man? Today we're gonna be doing an unboxing. This is straight from StockX. I've been going for a while. I've been buying a couple of different sneakers, you know, from GOAT, from StockX, just some shoes I missed out on, and of course getting some early heat from some of these trusted sources. You know, StockX is one of the most trusted sources. GOAT app is another trusted source as well. So some of them unboxings you guys have been seeing is straight from StockX, GOAT, and stuff like that. So I hope you guys are enjoying these early looks. And today we got something very special. Bought some unreleased Air Jordan 1s from StockX. Let's see, are they real or are they fake? Let's get right into it. Again, man, thanks everybody for pulling up to the video, man. You guys might see something real cool gray very soon. So hit the notification bell and subscribe right now if you have not subscribed already to the channel. But like I said, got these right here straight from StockX. You guys know, man, I have this like love-hate relationship with StockX. They get a lot of stuff that I want, of course. StockX gets everything, and sometimes their prices are a lot better than the GOAT app. Even though I like the GOAT app more, the prices sometimes are a little bit better, like a little bit better than the GOAT app. So StockX is, you know, got a little plus side about that. Only thing I really hate about StockX is that you cannot cancel your order. That's why I really think GOAT is really killing the game. You can cancel your order if you mess up, if you got the wrong size or something like that. You can go straight to that order, cancel it just like that. So StockX need to do something similar to the GOAT app so people can be more inclined to cop sneakers. Might be an impulse buy that they want to cancel. So let's get right to today's video. Like I said, if you guys are new, subscribe right now, hit the notification bell, and smack that like button, man. We got some early Air Jordan 1 heat in here. I think these are super nice, and I want you guys, as soon as you see them, to let me know how you feel about these Air Jordan 1s in the comment section, man. And while we at it, man, while we unboxing the sneaker, please let me know what's the last sneaker that you copped from StockX. So let's go ahead and peel the box open real quick. We got some nice bubble wrap on top of the box, and once I show you the box, you guys are gonna know exactly what these are right here, man. Let's go ahead and pop this bubble wrap out the way. Let's get the shoes out. Like I said, straight from StockX. You guys usually get, you know, the bubble wrap and stuff like that. Nice packaging, but Jordan Brand killing them with the boxes lately, man. So for the Moonlight Air Jordan 5s that's releasing, I think the 25th of September. I already got the early review on the channel. I'm gonna link it down below. The box is super nice. Kind of got that overall like Oreo look to the box. And for these right here, just look at the box. Just check the box out. Very nice, I must say. I really like the presentation. Something crazy, something different. And I've been giving Jordan Brand this credit, man, when credit is due. So let's go ahead and read the official size label real quick. Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG, white, total orange, and multicolor. So boy, we going crazy with these orange sneakers. We got the Air Jordan 5 orange blazes, the shattered backboards, whatever you want to call them. That orange colorway you don't usually get on a lot of sneakers, so when they do drop, I'm super excited to cop it, man. So let's go ahead and peel the box open. You got your receipt right here from StockX. Go ahead and throw that out the way, and you have the Access Now card right here. Let you guys check that out real quick. Nothing too crazy. A little message from the CEO. Throw that out the way. You get some brown tissue paper. You guys know that's super different from Air Jordan 1s as well. And let's pull them out. You guys see them. The Air Jordan 1 prototypes, man. Let me go ahead and peel both these out, and I already see that you got 3 extra laces with these joints. 3 extra laces. You got your StockX tag right here. Check it out, check it out. And you have blue, you have white, and you have orange laces, man. I don't know what I'm gonna throw in these. I'm not gonna lie, I might keep it, you know, with the white. That's usually what I've been rocking out with lately. The white laces been going crazy. Let's peel both the sneakers out the box, man. And I think StockX did your boy right with this Air Jordan 1 pickup, man. Air Jordan 1 prototypes. You guys let me know how you feel about these down below in the comment section. Got a lot of crazy different like materials all around it, and it reminds me of one sneaker. I'm gonna grab them real quick just for you guys. All right, so when you guys think about like crazy colorways, crazy materials and stuff like that, the first Air Jordan 1 I think of is the Air Jordan 1 Biohacks. I feel like this is probably one of the best releases of last year. I was going crazy over this one. I haven't got a lot of good fits out of it just because I think it's more of a fall sneaker. Like you gotta get a nice fall outfit with it. But as far as craftsmanship, as far as colorway, as far as like material and like a crazy looking sneaker, this is that shoe, man. I really loved it. And then Jordan Brand upped it with these right here. If I had to choose between the two, I'd probably be the Biohacks just because it's a little bit more crazy, a little bit more exotic. But these right here, a little bit more subtle. You get a lot more fits with these right here. And if you guys did not know, you can cut this little lining right here. You see that line under the blue? You can cut all the way around this and make it like an Air Jordan 1 low. So you guys might see that on the channel. If I do cut this shoe, if I cut this shoe, I gotta get another pair. I gotta get another pair of these because I really like the upper. Got some nice little different materials on the upper and stuff like that. And yeah, I just want the full feel of the prototype Air Jordan 1s, man. Matter of fact, if we get this video up to 250 likes, we're gonna set the bar low because I already kind of plan on doing it. 250 likes, we're definitely gonna cut these bad boys on the video, show you guys what they look like without this upper right here. So you know, sometimes when you buy sneakers from StockX, when you buy shoes from GOAT, they usually come from overseas because the shoes are released overseas in like China or Tokyo, wherever it is, and you can kind of see the different languages and stuff like this on the tag that came with these Air Jordan 1 prototypes. Check it out, check it out. So if you guys do not know, man, StockX really dropped the ball when they sent me back somebody else's pair and they sent my pair back. It was a crazy situation. I'm gonna link that video down below. It's probably one of my most viewed videos on the channel. I don't know what happened. I don't know how I got 2 pairs of sneakers. I didn't pay for the shoes. I feel bad for the other person. I tried to email them, I tried to hit them up saying, yo, can I send this shoe back to you? This is not my shoe. I don't know where the shoe came from. They said they'll get back to me. And now we're 6 months later and I still have that shoe. So here you have it, Air Jordan 1 prototypes. I'm gonna drop the full review and on feet on the channel very, very soon. If you guys wanna see me cut these joints after that on feet, man, please like this video. Let's get us up to 250 likes. But all first looks, all first impression, I am really digging these just because it's gonna be a super easy wear. You're gonna get a lot of dope outfits out of these for this upcoming fall and winter season. And yeah, man, I think Jordan Brand killed it with the Air Jordan 1 prototypes. You guys let me know how you feel about that down below in the comment section. Again, I appreciate everybody for tuning into today's video. Please subscribe to the channel if you have not subscribed already. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any other videos that we drop on the channel. Got some real early heat coming, trust me. So make sure that notification bell is rung and hit the like button if you enjoyed today's video. My IG will be linked down below in the description box. Head over there, give your boy a follow. Check out some of the reels, check out some of the posts that we post over there. And that would be greatly, greatly appreciated. Full review and on feed dropping very, very soon for these Air Jordan 1 prototypes. Again, I appreciate all the support. Thanks for pulling up today's video. And I'm gonna catch you on the next one, man. Peace.